when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, I just might. Oh, I just might. But first, may I just say that your face got me so intrigued. I'm so intrigued. But what good is beauty if your booty can't find a beat? I don't wanna know, girl, so please don't do that to me. 'Cause it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart if I find out you can't move. You better show me now, show me now, show me now. 'Cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. This the part where you break it all the way down, 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 down. This the part where I turn you all the way around, round, round, round. Put some spirit in it, put your heart into it. That's all I need. And if I like what I see, you're coming home with me. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, Mr. DJ.
Alin ako na po. Mali? No, magaling na pa. LLP transition. Ano naman natin ba nga mga price na? Ano? Tunay.
Bayad pa DJ yung bati.
Gagat transition lang. Tunay
Ako
na.
na tira na.
Like, haan ka sa matag glasses mo? Ha? Kaya kung sukangat na dito naka-org shirt pa lang.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn. But I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush, but I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up. It was a crush. Now I might have wanna said too much, but that's all it was. So I gave it up. I let my time. Oh no, opening up.
Hindi ba na lang?
That's my ego boost. Schedule ain't been loose for a minute. Yeah, I'm that girl I've been in. I'm sorry, stay tight. Kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Oh no, opening up. Make me a headline boost. That's my ego boost. Schedule ain't been loose for a minute. Yeah, I'm that girl I've been in. Yeah, I've been sorry, stay tight. Kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Oh no, opening up. Make me a headline boost. That's my ego boost. Schedule ain't been loose for a minute. Yeah, I'm that girl I've been in.
Hoy! Hoy! Nagjoran! Bakit galaw?
fight that.
Ano, sir?
Tayo na.
Gusto ko lang makamay din ako doon sa...
Maganda chiller na
Hindi, ikaw ba is...
Hello everyone.
See you.
Ay, sorry. Aday mo ko connection manok yun.
Bati ka tapos galing mo.
Pare lang ang talo.
Hi guys! We're doing a quick escape from everything. This is the day. No, this is the final day of the midterms. And we decided and planned to do quick getaway. You know what I'm saying? Overnight lang siya. And we're gonna drink and swim and everything. But first, we're gonna cook our food because we're so hungry. You're so hungry. I'm not really hungry because, you know, I just ate a while ago. So, ayan, she is Mireya. We have the rice cooker. Ayan, magkukuk na kami ng mga pagkain namin.
Aesthetic na to, Nagatugagi. Wooden. Galing itakang tawin.
Organizing the...
Wow! Ang dami! Grabe!
Sige, G, ano?
So, I will tour you in the house. So, here is the kitchen. We're busy organizing the food and drinks. Ayan, nagluluto sila. Say hi!
Hi guys!
And I'm gonna read to you the letter. March 6, 2026. Dear Mr. James and family, welcome to Casa de Alegria. We're thrilled to host your family for your special overnight stay. Our home is yours to enjoy, whether it's relaxing under the stars or simply making memories together. Please accept this token of appreciation as a gesture of gratitude, wishing you a fun-filled and relaxing stay. Love Casa de Alegria. JP is setting up the karaoke. Huy, walang battery. Ang mic. Ayan, we're busy, you know, setting up the sound system because we're gonna sing all night. No one is sleeping tonight because this is the time of us. So I will open the token of appreciation from Casa de Alegria. Ay! Towel!
Well, ikaw to giraffe me.
This is a towel para sa ref.
Dugay ko pang pirma ng
I'm the influencer of the group.
Hi guys, let me interview you. What are you doing? Wow, as you can see. Ikaw, madam, nagsasaing.
Preparing the rice. I'm the rice queen.
Is Dake? What are you doing, Dake?
I'm marinating Ferdy.
What are you gonna cook? Ano, ito dishwashing? Charis. Ano ang gagawin nyo dyan? Ano ang lulutuin nyo?
Marinate for the barbecue later.
Dahil walang... Mag-grill tayo.
Hi, Madam Press. What are you doing? No, so let's go on a tour.
So let's start with our common bathroom. Oh my God! Nusin lang ako sa kami dito nagkasilaw. So, brush can na.
Oh, yun. Nandito pala yung switch.
Washroom.
Powder room.
Powder room. Kasi ako nag-shower na. Dapat emergency kit na.
Wow,
First aid kits.
Oh my God! We have food here kasi nagsato kami ng lunch and we are gutom. Pero kita nyo, Met, di ba? Like, this is 30 class.
This is a towel para sa...
Look at her. Here is GPR technical director. How are you?
Nakasukat na ni.
Let's go. Let's swim. Guys, amo yung ba? Dating a room, dating a house, kasi the project with quantity survey. Look,
Oh, I love it.
it said no smoking, but I'm smoking that. Pasok tayo sa una nating room. Pakatukin muna natin. my God!
Welcome to my room! So we have three-seater bed.
Wow!
Tapos may tuwalya, may folding curtains. Wow, magic! Tapos may balcony sa guys, access to your balcony. Oh, di ba?
Oh my God!
Tapos at the heater shower guys, so sa top bed ako.
Kita man na sabon.
Papalingwi lang
Hindi,
kayo.
sabon na mismo ko lang. Yung tanikas guys.
Okay lang ako sa sabon.
Red shampoo.
So white guys, it's so pure and yeah, pure. Same lang sa kabila. Oh my God. Okay, 1, 2. So we have 3 towels. 1, 2, 3. At iuwi namin to. Wow! Pwede ba dito na lang? Oh no, this is the girls' room. Actually, right? We're 4, so we're kasha. Oh my God! Look at this. Wow. Welcome to our...
We picture you. You want.
Ganda.
Sabay. Kastama yan, kastama. Very...
Hawak mo! Dito!
Perfect line. So, hi guys. Hello! We're at Corimao. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat.
May ban?
Well,
Loved by you,
Hello?
Stars, I'm standing there on a bucket.
And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting all this time until it's right. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
Sino ka-grab? Sino ka-grab?
Sila di natutuwa sa tuwing pwede sisilayan. Lagi nalalatayan sa paglipas ng panahon. Ikaw na mamalayan na imbes na tumigas ay kinalaman. Lumabas ang puso ko mapahal para piling patang.
Live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if it was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush. I kept saying I'ma stay in touch. But that thing went bust, so I gave it up. Ooh, no trust, no bluff. I'm just better without them cuffs. Yeah, the sun won't set on us. Naka-video.
Hello, what are you doing?
I am currently cooking an extra special dish for our midnight snack. This is called fishy bolero. We also have here Ryan and Kim. That's all. Then
Basta nauna,
we
Jimmy.
are gonna turn off the exhaust button.
Wow!
Igno lang ang
Mali
ang
exhaust.
pastimi di balay
Luto ni Betty.
para bang nag-mix siya ng ingredients. Iso na lang ngayon yung tamang teka.
Uy, agtagtagayin mo isang hindi ako maturog.
Ang best na ginit yung best.
Nalaka na!
Isa ka masama ito pa rin.
She had a face straight out of a magazine. Caught on the nose, but you never leave her. How about a clover is starting to chafe? And when she gets this gun, he's begging, babe, stay, 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 stay. Now give you one more time. We'll give you one more fight. Said one more line. Will I know you? Now if you never shoot, you never know.
Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na
Put it on speaker, I said I can hear you. So you need to speak up, put that shit in stereo. Everyone else on barrier, protect it like a barrier. Promise there's nothing serious. Iyan pala, meron kaibig. Ano bang kaya nito ang subli? Unang sarap ka, kung silapan ka. Sa kasuli ko'y mata, akong itakin ka. Sakto pa'y pamatu, kaya ipababa. Michelle. Ayaw pa ako sino?
Dapay ba kwartam? Si ka, dapay ba kwartam?
Awanin yun.
Dapay ba kwartam?
Uy, gaga.
Dapat kasi majabin meron. 6 pesos.
Nalamangan ka, biglang ako na yung pinakamaganda. Charis.